Question number 8. Kim works at an airport in the UK and she records the number of planes landing between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. each day. The table shows that the data for the first 10 days in January. These are the datas. So, section A, the airport was affected by fog on one of the days. Which day do you think it was? And we need to give a reason for that. Now, when we look at the data given to us, we are going to notice that the number of planes similar in all of the day except of day 8. It's 102, which show us that on day 8 the airport was affected by the fog. So the day, it's day 8, and the reason, because in day 8 we have 102 planes and 102 is an outlier. So the reason is day 8 and the reason 102 is an outlier, while the number of planes in the range 147 to 155. Now in the second question, Kim uses the data to predict how many planes will land at the airport in a year. In her method, she uses an estimate of 150 planes in each 4-hour period throughout the day, and she assumes the same number of planes each day, so we need to work out the prediction. To be able to know how many planes we will have during the year, first we need to know how many planes do we have in one day. So when they tell us that we have an estimate of 150 planes in each 4-hour period, it means we need to divide 24 divided by 4, and the answer is 6. The reason we did that, we know that 6 is how many times 150 planes will land. Now, as long as we know this is going to happen 6 times a day, I need to multiply it by the number of planes to see how many planes we're going to have per day. So 6 multiplied by, we have 150 planes each time. So 150 times 6 equals to 900. So I know that I have 900 planes land each day. To know how many planes land in a year, we are going to multiply the 900 by 365, which is how many days during the year. To be able to do that, first we are going to put the 2 zeros down, and then we are going to multiply 365 by 9. 9 times 5 equals 45. 9 times 6 equals 54, plus 4 equals to 58. 9 times 3 equals to 27, plus 5 equals to 32. So the number of planes is 328,500 planes. Section C of question 8, it gives us this information. In fact, fewer planes land in winter than in summer, fewer planes land at night than during a day, and then what does this tell you about Kim's prediction? Her prediction is too low, her prediction is too high, or her prediction could be too low or too high. Now, the only reasonable answer that we could get here is her prediction could be too low or too high, and the reason is we don't have enough information. They did not give us numbers, they did not give us how many planes during the day, how many planes during the night. We have no information, so we cannot know by sure.